So hello everyone, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new action that appeared in summer 26 release in Salesforce Flow. So what this action will do, I will show you in a minute, but before moving towards this action I want to let you know, first of all, whenever we want to navigate to a particular record, or whenever let's say we create a record from Salesforce Flow and then we want our user to redirect to a particular record page, we need to create a LWC component, and earlier we used to create a Aura component, right? And then use those component along with our Salesforce Flow. But now in summer 26 release, we don't need to do that anymore because we got this new action. So without any delay, let's check it out. So first of all, I'm going to create a new flow over here. I'm going to select screen flow. So the flow I'm going to create is a simple screen flow, which I'm going to place over contact record detail page. So this is a simple wizard to create quick opportunity. So very first I'm going to select a screen over there and drag and drop some components. Let's say date component. Then I will add one text component for opportunity name, and I think we are good to go. Now I'm going to configure this screen. Let's say opportunity date details, and then close date. Let's make it require, and similarly opportunity name, let's make it require too, and also add one field called currency. Let's say amount, right? So these are the three basic components that I have right now. I'm going to configure the footer. I will simply select custom button, create opportunity, and hide the previous and pause button. Once this is done, I will simply click on done, and over here you can see we have the screen now. Now I will use a create record element, and over here I will simply type create opportunity. I will select manually, provide object that is opportunity, and add all these fields. So stage I am going to keep, let's say negotiation review. Name I am going to use from my opportunity details, and similarly close date as well. And I will add another field called amount that comes from opportunity details to amount. So what this flow will do, it will ask user simple input like close date, opportunity name, and amount, and it will create an opportunity with staged negotiation / review. Now the purpose of this video is to show you a functionality of an action called open a page. So here I am going to type open a page. So this is the action I am going to talk about. So when I click on this open a page action, it will ask me for a label. So let's say redirect user to opportunity, right? And now you have a simple option, page type. So when you click on the page type, you will get two options. Either you are going to select Salesforce record page or external web page. So obviously we are going to select Salesforce record page, then it will ask for record ID. Now how I can get the record ID? From the create opportunity. So I will simply click on this, click on opportunity from create opportunity dot ID. So here you can see I provided the record ID. Now I need to provide the API name of the object to which I want the user to redirect. So here I am going to type opportunity. The key thing over here is you need to provide the API name, not the label. So whenever you are working with custom objects and all, make sure you append the __c over there as well. Now you have two mode, view or edit. So first of all, I am going to try this view mode, and then I will also going to show you edit mode as well. So first of all, you will see view, and where to open the page in new browser tab, new browser window, or new lightning console tab. So we are going to try first. Let me see if we have any advanced options. So no, for now I'm going to save my flow. Let's say opportunity wizard. Now I'm going to hit save, activate my flow, and I will move to the contact record page. I will simply refresh. So how I move over here, let me show you. I simply move to a particular contact, go to setting icon, click on edit page. So once you will be there on the contact record page, or simply need to type flow into the search bar of the components and drag and drop to the canvas. Once you drag and drop to the canvas, you need to select your flow, that is opportunity wizard. Select this. Also I forgot to add few things in my flow. So let me just save this contact page for now. I also want to fetch few more fields, and that is account ID. So how account ID will come? It will come from the record detail page. So I'm going to use a new resource and going to create a variable for that, and let's say contact, data type going to be record, object is again contact, and I'm going to select available for input and hit done. So over here I need to provide contact dot account ID. I'm going to save this flow as new version, hit save and activate this new version. Now I will go to the record page again and refresh this screen, because I also need to enable one setting before showing you the testing of my action. So simply click on the flow component that you added, and you need to check this checkbox to basically pass contact record details to the contact record variable that we just created, and hit save. Once this is done, let's move back to the record and let's try how our action will work. So I will simply type close date. Okay, date spelling is wrong, so don't mind. This is just for the knowledge purpose. And opportunity name, let's say Burlington dummy op, and amount, let's say any random amount. I'm going to click on create opportunity, and here you can see it automatically redirects me to the opportunity, and you can also see the key details on this opportunity. So this is the one functionality, and right now you can see this record is in view mode. Now let's move to the opportunity wizard flow, and what we need to do, we need to click on this action and we are going to make edit as view mode. I'm going to save as new version, activate this flow. Let's move to the contact record page and hit refresh, and let's try one more opportunity. Burlington Textile Corp dummy op. Let's say 50,000 as a random amount. Create opportunity, and this time you can see it is in edit mode right now. Now let's move to the Salesforce flow. Now let's try some different features of this particular action. So over here you can see you have two more options, new browser window and new lightning console tab, so you can use accordingly. Now instead of this Salesforce record page, if you need to use any other URL or external URL after your record gets created or anything, like it's totally depend on your use case. So if you want to redirect after a particular steps from your Salesforce flow, you need to select external web page. So let's say if I add our website salesforcegeek.in in a new browser tab, so let's see how it actually behaves. Let me save my flow. Also currently it doesn't make any sense of redirecting to a website or external website when opportunity records created. So it's just I want to show you like how this external web page functionality works, because the basic functionality I already show you. You have two more options, like open in a new window tab or open in a console tab. So let me just activate it. So this is done. Let me just refresh the contact record detail page, and I am going to create an opportunity once again. Let's say dummy test and dummy amount. So right now you can see it redirects me to the Salesforce Geek website after a successful operation of creation of opportunity. So that's what it is. That's how you can use this new custom action in your Salesforce flow, and hopefully it will be available soon in production. Right now, in order to try these actions, you need to have a pre-release org, but hopefully in some time you will get it in your normal orgs as well. So for now, that's it. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you.